Hello students, a very warm to everyone. This is your Valli, addressing from SLVM School Jagpat Nagaram, dealing with the subject English. So children, in the previous video, we discussed about the Happy Prince section 1. So, the Happy Prince and the Swallow helped to a poor woman and a boy by giving the red gem from the sword of the Happy Prince, and the Swallow wants to sign off, go to the brothers and sisters of the Swallow family. He said goodbye. It said goodbye to the prince. So now we are going to discuss about the section 2. What will happen? Did the swallow really go into the family of the swallows? What will happen? Yeah, look at the video. Little swallow, replied the prince, don't go yet. I can see a young man in the bare room where there is no fire. He is trying to write, but his hand is too old to hold the pen. Then, while after listening the words of the swallow, what did the swallow say? Goodbye. I'm off now. I'm going now. While listening those words of the swallow, the little prince said, Little swallow, don't go. See, now I am seeing a young man who is unable to write. I am seeing a young man who is unable to write, who is unable to hold a pen, properly. Why? Because he has nothing to eat. He is unable to eat any food. So he has no energy to hold a pen. So do one thing, take one of my eyes. They are made of blue gems. Then the little prince said, do one thing, look at my eyes. My eyes are made of blue gems. You can take a blue gem from my eyes. But I cannot do that, cried the swallow. Then the swallow said, I cannot do that, cried. Why did the swallow cry? Well, the blue gem will taken, what will happen? The prince was unable to see the people. Please do as I asked, begged the prince. Then the prince begged heartily to take the blue gem. So the swallow pecked out one of the gems from the statue's eyes and flew with it to the young man. Then the swallow taken the blue gem from the eye of the happy prince and moved to the place where young man was staying. He dropped the gem into a bunch of flowers on the table. Look at the picture. There are some flowers, right? There are some flowers. So the swallow placed the gem on those bunch of flowers. When the young man saw it, he was so pleased that he forgot he was hungry and went on with his work. So, after looking the swallow's blue gem, the man felt very happy and went to eat something. And also he think that now I can pay my rent and buy some food, he said. Then the man thought that now I have a blue gem. I will sell it to somewhere and I can get some money. While using that money, I can pay my rent. I will eat something. Just like that, the man think of those. Back flew the swallow to tell the prince the good news. And now goodbye, he added. And after seeing the happiness of the young man, the swallow returned back to the prince and shared the happy news and wanna said goodbye. Why? Because the swallow want to move to the place of the rest of the swallows are there. Okay. Then what will happen again? Don't go yet, pleaded the prince. Then again the prince requested that don't go, my swallow. Look down there. Do you see that little girl? She was trying to sell matches, but her hands were so cold that she dropped them in the bed and now they are of no use. Look at the down of the statue. Some girl is sitting there. She want to sell matchsticks, some wood or some matchsticks, but the matches fell down and become coal. So no other people will come and buy those matches. So the girl did not get any money. Okay, so her father will scold her when she gets home. You must peck out the gem from my other eye and give it to her. But if I do that, you won't be able to see at all, cried the swallow. You will be blind. Then again, if the girl did not take any money to her house, her father will shout on her. So, my dear swallow, do one thing. Take another gem from my another eye and fell it to the little girl. Then the girl will take that gem to her house and she will be happy. While listening those words, the swallow opposed, disagreed the statement of the prince. Why? Because already one gem from one eye given to the young man. So only the prince is able to watch with one eye. But now again the prince is saying that take the rest of the remaining gem from his eyes and give to the little girl. Then what will happen? The prince was unable to see the people. So the swallow opposed the statement of the swallow. But how do as I say, begged the prince. So the swallow took the blue gem and dropped it in the little girl's hand. But while the very beautiful request and very kindful, happyful request of the prince, the swallow pecked out the another gem and fell on the place where little girl is doing. Okay, and how pretty she smiled when she sighed, and she ran off home to give it to her father. After looking the blue gem, the girl felt very happy and taken that blue gem to the house of her and shown it to her father. Once more the swallow flew back to the prince. I cannot leave you now that you are blind. I will stay with you and you can use my eyes to see. Then the beautiful, kind hearted swallow returned back to the prince and said, I will not want to go to any warmer place, prince. I want to stay with you. I want to be with you. Why? Because you are unable to see now. You helped poor people. You lost your eyes. You are blind now. On this situation, I am unable to leave you. I will be with you. I will stay with you. You can look with my eyes. I will say to you what will happen, what is going to happen, what the people is doing, how the people are doing now. I will say to you, just look with my eyes. The swallow requested the happy prince. So children, this is the end of the session. In the next video, we will discuss about the section 3, what will happen finally on the lesson. Okay children, thank you everyone.